Red, itchy, and watery eyes? It could be conjunctivitis, more commonly known as eye flu. In this video we'll look at what eye flu is, its causes and symptoms, and how to prevent it. We will also cover 10 practical ways to manage and treat eye flu. There are several causes of eye flu, including viruses, bacteria, allergies, and even irritants like smoke and chemicals. It is a common eye infection of the lining of the eye that affects millions of adults and children around the world. Conjunctivitis is highly contagious, so it can easily be picked up from close contact with a person who has this eye problem. Or it can be picked up from touching a surface or objects that have the virus on them. If you have eye flu, you may experience discomfort, sensitivity to light, and a gritty feeling in your eyes. Your eyes will be red, itchy and watery, and there may be sticky discharge. In rare cases, it can cause temporary blurred vision. It can be quite frustrating, but it will typically go away on its own within 2 to 4 weeks without needing treatment. However, you can ease the symptoms and speed healing time by using the following conjunctivitis treatment methods. To provide relief for eye flu, it is essential to practice good eye hygiene. Wash your hands after touching your eyes. Rest a warm or cool damp cloth on your eyes for relief from itching and to remove any crusting or discharge. Use a tissue to wipe water from your eyes and immediately dispose of it. Avoid smoke, dust and anything else that could get into and irritate your eyes. Avoid rubbing, as this can worsen the condition. And don't wear contact lenses until the infection clears. Over-the-counter antihistamines can be useful for the itching. Pain relief tablets can help with headaches and eye ache. If your eyes are dry, ointments are available from the pharmacy which keep the eyes moist. If you take any eye drops or ointments, make sure that you follow the instructions fully. It's important to get proper rest and sleep while you have the eye infection so that your body and immune system is strong enough to fight off the infection. Finally, see your doctor if you have constant severe eye pain, if your vision blurs or decreases, if your symptoms get worse after 2 weeks, or if you have a high fever. For severe cases, the doctor may prescribe antiviral eye drops to fight off the infection. There are some simple steps we can take to prevent catching conjunctivitis in the first place. To prevent the spread of eye flu, it's crucial to wash your hands frequently. Avoid touching your eyes or rubbing them. If you need to wipe your eyes, wash your hands first with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Don't share personal items that may come into contact with eyes, such as towels, creams or makeup. Clean and disinfect surfaces regularly, especially doorknobs, countertops and electronic devices, such as your phone. If you wear contact lenses, clean them regularly as recommended by the manufacturer. Prevent the virus spreading from droplets from your mouth when you cough or sneeze by using a tissue or coughing into your elbow. Those were our tips for managing and preventing eye flu. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with anyone who may need it, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Stay healthy and take care of your eyes.